Guys, welcome to Style Walls. I am Preet and today I am going to show you how to make beautiful and easy Lippan art design. Today I will teach how to mix molded clay properly, how to make Lippan art dory properly, how to create an easy design using protector or half round scale and using simple tools. Today I will show you how to stick dory, how to stick mirrors, all in just 15 minutes. This is complete Lippan art course. Let's start the video. First we will mark the center point of the round board. If you don't know how to mark the center point, you can check this video. After marking the center point, we will use a long ruler to draw a straight line across the board. Draw one line vertical and one horizontal, both passing through the center point. Set this round scale in that two horizontal and vertical line so that you can mark easily. You can set the round scale properly. Now using the stencil, mark small dots for the vertical and horizontal line. This will guide you to draw a straight line properly later. Once the dots are marked, take a long ruler and connect the dots to draw a straight line across the board, one vertical and one horizontal, both passing through the center. Also you can add diagonal line if you need it to divide the board more evenly. Next, take a compass, place the compass needle on the center point and draw a last circle across the board. I have drawn 6 circles on my 12-inch board. You can adjust depending on your board size. Once all the circles are drawn, take a protector. Using the protector, we will mark equal angles around the center. This will guide us while making the design. First mark all the points carefully and then join the points to create the full pattern. Now, it's time to work with Mouldit clay. Mouldit comes with 2 packets, one hardener blue packet and one softener pink packet. Before using the clay, take some talcum powder because the clay can be very sticky. Sprinkle a little powder on the board and on your hands as well. Take an equal amount of hardener and softener. Important, do not mix the entire packet at once. Take a small portion of both and mix them well. Mix until the clay turns into one uniform color. It will take 1 to 2 minutes for mixing the molded clay. After mixing, let it rest for about 5 minutes. Now the clay is ready for mixing dory. If you are beginner, you can use a sponge to help, but I prefer using my hands directly. Keep rolling the clay gently until it becomes even and equal from all the sides. This will help your dories look clean and uniform. Keep making dories like this. It will take little time to complete this. So perfect and equal in every sides. I will fold the dory in my hands While folding the dory in my hands, it doesn't break because the clay is mixed in the perfect. Once the dories are ready, carefully stick them along the design with the help of Fevicol or glue. Stick slowly and neatly for the best finish. giving a beautiful design with the help of the tools. You can use a knife also for these designs. When dry, apply a layer of gesso primer over an entire board. Let the gesso dry completely before painting. Important, never paint directly on the clay. It can spoil the colors. Now let's start painting. I have picked blue and yellow for my board, but you can choose any colors you like. Pick colors that make you happy or match your style. There are no rules. When you start painting, don't worry if some paint goes outside the lines or touches the dory. It's okay. We will fix all the small mistakes later when we do all the final touch up. Right now, just have fun and enjoy filling your board with colors. After you finish painting, take some white paint. Use it to add highlights and clean up your design. White will make your artwork look neat, bright, and even more beautiful. Then we will stick the mirrors. I have used leaf shape and square shaped mirrors, but you can use any shapes you like. Stick them carefully and neatly. Finally, take golden color and add small mandala dots across the design. The golden dots will give a beautiful and professional finishing touch to your Lippan art, and your beautiful Lippan art is going to complete. If you like our video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.